Hey everyone, Shinny here, and today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to paint a glowing plasma effect for your miniatures. First, a message from our sponsor. What do you mean we don't have a sponsor? For this video, I'm going to be going for a glowy green effect and using some Army Painter paints. I'm using Elemental Bolt, Toxic Mist, and Matte White, short for Matthew White. The actual colors aren't important. You can do this with any other brand and colors of miniature paints as well. The important thing is that you have a deep color, a lighter and less saturated color, and then an even lighter and extremely less saturated color, or just a white of some kind. Let's get into it. First, prime and base coat your mini. I'm painting a Black Templar's Hellblaster for my Crusade Force, so he's already coated black and some of his other details have been painted. I like to paint most of the rest of the weapons before doing the plasma effect, such as the red and silver seen here. Second, I'm going to take my Elemental Bolt, which is the nice deep green that I've chosen for my plasma. Again, you can use other brands and colors. We're going to use this to cover the entire plasma coil, taking care not to get it all over the rest of our gun. Once the entire plasma coil is coated, we'll move on to our next color. Depending on your paint color and its opacity, this could take 2 or more thin coats. Third, we're going to take our Toxic Mist, which is our lighter and less saturated green that I mentioned earlier. Now with this color, we're going to be trying our best to lightly paint only on the raised portions of the plasma coils like this. You want to try to hit only the raised portion of the coil and leave the darker color in the recesses. This helps the coils look like they are glowing. I recommend a smaller paintbrush for this, or at least one with a really fine tip. I'm using an Army Painter Hobby Super Detail brush, as you can see here. If you mess up and get some in the recesses, that's okay. Just try your best to keep it only on the raised portions. Finally, our last step is to take our matte white and cover even less of the raised portion of the coil. We want to get only the outer edges like this. This will really help the plasma pop and glow even more. And here's our first base coat of green next to a finished Hellblaster. You can really see the difference that these steps make. Thanks for watching. I have more hobby and miniature related content coming. Also, I stream regularly over on Twitch at twitch.tv/ShinigamiNG channel, so swing by for some more miniature painting and gaming. See you next time. I'm not sure. He's got these like weird toe things on his boots. He has toe boots on. I don't know if those should be gold or not. Or silver, or should I just leave them black? I don't know.